fact, the court today has held that uh, Dilip Parolekar would have to uh, face charges under the sections of IPC, including 420 of the IPC. So Dilip Parolekar now has been directed to appear before the JMFC, MAPSA, and to face charges under the IPC. He has been directed to appear on the 6th of August.
परवरे चौगाम रोडावेलो सेरुला कोमुंदरीचो 599 चौखंड मीटर प्लॉट पुरोळेकारान बळकायला म्हूण प्रकरण कोर्टात गेल्ले.
My whole case before the JMFC at MAPSA was that Dilip Parolekar, misusing his power as the then tourism minister, in conspiracy with Irene Sequeira and Peter Martins, grabbed 599 square meters of prime Comunidad land along the Chogam road without the land being auctioned. He bought that land, which is worth over 1 crore, for just 3,41,000 in conspiracy with Irene Sequeira and Peter Martins.
भ्रष्टाचार प्रतिबंधक कायद्याखाला मंत्री आड कायदेशीर कारवाई करूंक सरकाराची मान्यताय लागता. क्रायम ब्रांचीन अजून मेरेन ती गजाल केल्ली ना. पुरोळेकारा आड आता IPC खाला केस चलतली. भ्रष्टाचार प्रतिबंधक कायद्याची कलमां पुरोळेकाराक लागू जावची ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.